I'm Mike, and in this series we're working our way through all 91 issues of Battle Games in Middle-earth. For each issue we create a video covering the terrain build and painting every miniature along the way, as well as this video where we review the magazine as a whole. In today's issue we paint a beautiful Haldir model, and we also go back to basics with the start of a terrain project that will carry us through the next 4 episodes. We begin with a background page on Haldir and how he arrived at Helms Deep to honour an ancient pact between men and elves. Chances of a helicopter coming over. Next we're given additional rules covering how to fight inside a fortress, which will no doubt come in handy as we progress with the keep build. These rules include things like fighting beside drops, where a trapped fighter may choose to jump from the wall, but he takes a strength 3 hit for every inch fallen, and fighting on steps, where a warrior can stumble and fall, suffering double strikes. The battle game introduces the start of a Helms Deep campaign, a series of scenarios that will take us from a minor skirmish as the elves travel towards Helms Deep, all the way to a full battle outside the keep itself. We'll soon be building that across the next few videos. We also get a couple of pages following Richard and Mark as they begin their own campaign. Now we reach my favourite sections of the magazine, the painting workshop. I've created a full tutorial video showing exactly how I painted my Haldir, and he was an absolute joy to work on. The sculpt is beautifully detailed and looks fantastic once finished. I use speed paints for that rich red cloak and a mix of metallics and washes to shade the different armour elements. In Modelling Workshop we go right back to basics, stripping away the fancy machines and sticking to cardboard and glue to create some surprisingly effective walls and towers. This is the start of a multi-part build which will eventually become an impressive fortress for our battle games. We'll be using simple tools that most people already have at home. We build a full 2 foot by 2 foot gaming area for next to no money. I've got a separate dedicated video showing exactly how that terrain was made. So if you want to see the full build process, make sure to check that out. Before we wrap up, I'd like to welcome a couple of new people who are helping support the channel over on Patreon. A big thank you to Nebraska Tom, no prizes for guessing where Tom's from, and Paul. If you'd like to support the channel, head over to Patreon where I share progress updates and PDF guides showing exactly how I build the terrain featured in this series. And that brings us to the end of issue 27. I'm really looking forward to the next few magazines where we'll continue this back to basics approach with a gatehouse build and paint up Theoden. That's the end, let's do another one!